how to change a drill bit on an Erbauer drill. So, first things first, you need to turn the chuck here clockwise, and this opens up the mechanism here. Then you want to get your drill bit, and I've got this masonry drill bit here. You want to slip it in, then turn the chuck anti-clockwise, and the bit inside here will grip. And once you hear it click, you want to give it a final tighten up like that, and you've entered your drill bit. Now to release the drill bit clockwise on the chuck, as you see it's now loosening it. Take your bit out, and it's as simple as that. So that's how to change a drill bit on an Erbauer drill. If you found that video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.